kick it off now. Straight away with the Mr. on steam, the music of the brilliant Barry Gray.
Hey. Hey. What are you doing? Oh. I can see you. Yeah, I can see you.
That was good stuff, thanks for singing. Well, it's sort of We Wish You the Merriest of Christmas. How should I say it?
Die Österreicher alle in Gläser Jugend.
Yes, I would have never said that. I've read and I feel like I've heard a lot about your father, and yes, I feel like I've read and heard very little about your mother. Tell me more about your mother.
I think it's partly because my father died a very long time ago. He died at 59, and I miss him very much. My mother's still hale and hearty. She could outrun me, frankly. She's in her 80s. She's extraordinary, and she's amazing. She's I think 2 university degrees since my father passed away. She's very artistic, and she was a BBC pioneer. She came as a secretary, which was the common practice in the early 1950s, and became one of the very first female studio managers. As well as studio managing, she would announce for the World Service in all sorts of languages. She would announce in Russian, other languages, and she spoke fluent French. She was on her way to becoming a brilliant broadcaster. And when she married my dad trained at the BBC because there was no training in Denmark. She had to stop her job because married women were not allowed to continue work at the BBC, which seems extraordinary. That's 1954 she got married to my dad. I think my mother, along with a lot of women of that generation, had fantastic talents which were untapped, and which she then, of course, assisted my father with his career, and is still the person. I've got a new novel out. She's the person I want to hear what she thinks about it.
You were asked to leave a couple of schools in America.
Yeah, that's bad.
So what happened?
So, this is, doesn't reflect well on me.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese then. Cheese it. Hey. What's this?
Stevens with number 16 and can't keep it in from 15 are on the way.
Go on in, put some cheese in. Cheese in. Put some cheese in. Put some cheese in. Some cheese in. Hey.
Yeah, I'm alright, thank you. You're on the line obviously to Sarah and Tony too. Tell us about your tinnitus. You've had it for 15 years.
Yeah, I've had it for 15 years. I got mine after diving.
Is that nice?
Not an accident.
Hey.
Nothing happened on the dive.
Cheese in.
I just started with tinnitus a couple of days after. The GP at the time put down, so I must have had an inner ear call that affected the diving, affected my ears. And I had it in one ear for about a week, and then I remember sitting on the settee, and I felt it going through. However, it went out.
Cheese. Cheese in. Hey.
Colin, get his nuts out for you.